We are FirstPack, an OEM custom flexible packaging factory with 30 years of experience. Our production covers the full process: blown film, printing, lamination, inspection, slitting, and pouch making, ensuring strict quality control at every step. Equipped with imported printing machines, we deliver vivid and consistent colors. Our advanced lamination equipment reduces solvent residues, guaranteeing food safety. Multiple pouch making lines ensure fast and reliable delivery. Trust FirstPack as your dependable partner. We provide high-quality, customized packaging solutions tailored to your brand's needs.